Hey everyone, hello, namaste, welcome back to Get Peppy with me. So, how are you all? How is the festive season going on? So, I hope everyone is doing fantastic. Video title చూసుకొని మీరు అనుకుంటున్నారేమో 5 grams నుంచి అసలు necklaces ఎలా available ఉన్నాయి in pure 22 karat gold with HUID hallmarking. Yes, it is available here at Sri Swarna Kanchi store located at Kottapet. And నేను మీకోసం ఇలాంటి హ్యూజ్ వెరైటీ ఆఫ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ లైట్ వెయిట్ హెవీ పార్టీ వేర్ నెక్లెసెస్ తీసుకొని వచ్చాను ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ స్వర్ణ కంచి స్టోర్ లొకేటెడ్ ఎట్ కొత్తపేట్ అండ్ దే ఆర్ సో వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్. నేను ఎప్పుడు చూడలే ఇలాంటి కలెక్షన్ లైక్ 5 grams నుంచి నెక్లెసెస్. హౌ ఇస్ దట్ ఈవెన్ పాసిబుల్ ఇస్ వాట్ ఐ థాట్. వెన్ ఐ కేమ్ టు ద స్టోర్ ఐ సా ద హ్యూజ్ వెరైటీ ఆఫ్ నెక్లెసెస్ హియర్ at the store from 5 grams onwards, pure 22 karat gold with HUID hallmarking, lightweight, and on top of that low wastage. So without wasting any time, let's get deep into the video. Ivanni pieces manam explore cheskundam. I'll also show you the estimation of some of the pieces as per today's gold rate. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video and let's explore this entire collection. Starting with the first necklace is this one, pure 22 karat gold with coin detailing. If you guys are seeing, it's really very lightweight and pure 22 karat gold with HUID hallmarking. Ball detailing is also there, stole detailing, and look at the glossy gold finish. Just so beautiful to see this kind of designs and dil khush ho jata hai ilanti pieces చూసుకొని. This is the tag of it. Net weight of this is 25.886 grams and this is so very lightweight. Moving ahead towards the next piece is ఇలాంటి పీస్ చూడండి ఎలా ఉందో. డీప్ నక్షి డీటెయిలింగ్ లో స్టోన్ డీటెయిలింగ్ తో పాటు మనకి పింక్ కలర్ పర్ల్ డీటెయిలింగ్, గ్రీన్ కలర్ తో పాటు డీప్ నక్షి డీటెయిలింగ్ డిజైనింగ్ వచ్చింది దీంట్లో. ఇలాంటి డీప్ నక్షి డీటెయిలింగ్ పీసెస్ అయితే wastage starts from 21% outside, but this store is specially known for this kind of low wastage jewelry in lightweight. So the net weight of this piece is just coming close to 24 grams and low wastage again. You will get this from a wastage of 13-14% onwards. This is also a very beautiful piece. Starting with the first piece is this one, like you guys heard in the intro lo cheppanu kada ilanti 5 grams necklaces kuda available unnayani. This is that 5 grams Kasu detailing chain necklace which has goddess Lakshmi in it inside each and every coin. 5 grams to manaki, you will not even get a gold coin, you're getting a necklace in 5 grams. And the net weight of this piece is coming close to 5.687 gram. Wastage is 9.99%. And the finish, the workmanship of it is also so very classy. Just look at it. I will show you the estimation of it as per today's gold rate, which is 43,308 rupees. Net weight is 5.87 grams and you can see all the other specifications here on the screen as of today's gold rate. Moving ahead towards the next piece is this one. Net weight of this is 14.433 grams and the price of this is 1,10,237 rupees. So let me show you the design of this chain necklace. It's so beautiful. Like in center, you can see a big size coin which has laser cut goddess Lakshmi Ammavaru unnaru lopala, and you can see all laser cut inside this coin detailing, and also you can see lockets here and there, and also chain is also so very beautiful. It's handmade chain, it's not a machine made chain, and it's so very beautiful. Veskunte enta beautiful ga untundo, I cannot even explain it in words how nice it will look. So I'm going to show you the estimation of this as of today's gold rate. Like you guys can see, price of this is mentioned and all other specifications are also mentioned for this necklace as per today's gold rate. The next piece that I have got for you guys is this kind of a necklace in U shape in chain detailing, which is a chain necklace. You can easily wear this with jhumkis in a very light weight. So the net weight of this piece is coming close to 18.528 gram. Wastage is 12.99%. So this is the detailing of it. Like you can see teardrop detailing, you can see stone detailing, and also red color stone with green stones and seized stones తో పాటు ఇలాంటి డిజైన్ పెట్టారు. And కింద you can see this kind of pearl detailing. మొత్తం పీస్ కలిపి it's like a designer piece in a very low weight and also low wastage, which is 18.528 grams only. The next one is this kind of a V necklace. This is again in deep Nakshi detailing. You can see goddess Lakshmi with stone detailing and also seasoned stones. Seasoned stones here are of premium quality. Just look at the design. Nenu mimmalni look aithe chupista okasari. Wow, such a designer piece. Necklaces design chesarante, just hats off to the design. If you liked it, take a picture and come down to the store, which is located at Kottapet. Moving ahead towards the next necklace is this one. This is again a chain necklace చైన్ డీటెయిలింగ్ లో ఇలాంటి సెంటర్ లో పెండెంట్ పెట్టి కలర్ స్టోన్స్ తో పాటు కొంచెం వైబ్రెంట్ లుక్ ఇచ్చారు. ఇఫ్ యూ గైస్ ఆర్ సీయింగ్, ఇట్స్ రియలీ వెరీ డిఫరెంట్ టు సీ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ డిజైన్ అగైన్. Usually we see this kind of patti chokers, but this one is like a chain necklace. Like you can see, it's a glossy gold chain, and this chain has all green color stones and pearl detailing and center pendant. It's really very different, the look and the design of it. It has seized stones of premium quality, green color beads, pink stones, pearl detailing. Net weight of this is coming close to 17.583 grams also. Next one is this kind of a chain necklace again, which has coin detailing. Semi-antique finish in this with green color stones, looking very, very vibrant. You guys will not believe, net weight of this is 11.889 grams. Yes. 11 grams lo manaki chain kuda raadu. I know you guys are not believing it. In 11 grams, this kind of a necklace is designed. It's a chain necklace, coin detailing, green color stones and seized stones in it. Next one is this kind of a Dubai gold necklace. This is also very, very glossy. If you guys are seeing, it does not have any stone detailing. మీకు ఎప్పుడైనా యూ షేప్ నెక్లెస్ కావాలి అండ్ యూ వాంట్ గో ఫర్ లో వేస్టేజ్, లైట్ వెయిట్ విత్ నో స్టోన్ డీటెయిలింగ్, బెస్ట్ ఫర్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ పర్పసెస్ గిఫ్ట్ అంటే ఇలాంటి గిఫ్ట్ యూ కెన్ డెఫినెట్లీ టేక్. యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ క్లోజ్ యువర్ ఐస్ అండ్ బై దిస్ గిఫ్ట్. ఇట్ విల్ లుక్ గుడ్, and on top of that it will also cost you less and best for investment for the person you're gifting also. Net weight of this is coming close to 16.218 gram. Weightage is 13.99% on this kind of a U necklace also. Just look at it, how beautiful it looks. On the either side you can keep thread and wear it. Moving ahead towards the next necklace is ఇలాంటి నెక్లెస్. చూడండి ఎలా ఉంది. ఇది కూడా మొత్తం డీప్ నక్షి డీటెయిలింగ్ లో సెమీ యాంటిక్ ఫినిష్ తో పాటు కొంచెం బ్రెడ్ మట్ ఫినిష్ కూడా ఉంది దీంట్లో. యూ కెన్ సీ పీకాక్ విత్ గ్రీన్ కలర్ స్టోన్స్, పర్ల్ డీటెయిలింగ్, అండ్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ సీ బ్రైట్ పింక్ కలర్ స్టోన్స్ అండ్ గ్రీన్ బీడ్స్ హియర్. You guys will not believe, net weight of this is just 13.764 gram. Weightage is 13.99%. Yes, that's the weight of this necklace. Wow. ఇంత తక్కువ వెయిట్లో ఇలాంటి డిజైనర్ పీస్ ఇస్ జస్ట్ అన్బీటబుల్ అండ్ అన్మ్యాచబుల్ డిజైన్స్ ఆల్సో. Moving ahead towards the next necklace is this one. This one is a U-shaped short necklace with deep Nakshi detailing. You can see all peacock engraved here and all chain detailing on the top. Green color beads in step detailing and green and red color stones looking so very beautiful with pearls in it. Net weight of this is 27.020 gram. Wastage is 12 point. U-shaped short necklace. This looks so very beautiful. I mean, మీరు చూస్తే అనుకుంటున్నారు కదా it's really very heavy అని. It's not at all heavy. It's really very lightweight, but it's really very durable also for people who want to buy something which looks very beautiful and it looks heavy when you wear, but it should be low weight, below 25 grams. You can actually go for this kind of a necklace also. This is the next necklace which I have got for you guys. It's also really very lightweight. Net weight is 42.149 grams, and this is in pure 22 karat gold with HUID hallmarking. It has seized stones, green color stones, bright pink stones and bead detailing along with pearls in it. Just look at the shine and the finish. It's shining so very brilliantly, and on top you have chain detailing like this. This is really very beautiful, bridal, heavy but very, very lightweight is what we can say. So the price of this is coming close to 3,50,767 grams. Net weight is 42.149 grams. You can see all the other specifications like the gold weight, the stone detailing weight, all of it is also mentioned. But this beautiful necklace as of today's gold weight. Another lightweight chain necklace is this one. Net weight of this is 7.860 grams and the price of this is just 60,158 rupees, which is really, really, really lightweight. I mean, this kind of pieces are once in a while you find it in the market, and I feel these pieces are meant for people who want to buy something lightweight below 1 lakh rupees. They can wear it. Chuste kuda chala baagundi. It doesn't look like it's really very lightweight, and at the same time it fulfills the need of a necklace. Mottam necklace la undi deeni look. So let me show you the pendant. You have already seen. You can see the coin detailing and also goddess Lakshmi with is it visible? And 3 to 1 with bead detailing. Let me show you the estimation of it. You can see the net weight, the price of this 60,158 rupees and all other specification as per today's gold rate for this beautiful chain necklace. Towards the next necklace is Elanti beautiful U-shaped short necklace. దీంట్లో కూడా మొత్తం కాయిన్ డీటెయిలింగ్ తో పాటు మ్యాంగో డీటెయిలింగ్ ఉంది. అమ్మవారు ఉన్నారు in Chandbali detailing and also you can see beads, bright pink color, green color stones, seized stones, semi antique finish లో deep nakshi detailing లో ఇలాంటి పీస్ కూడా అవైలబుల్ ఉంది at the store. So if you want to see the tag, just look at the tag. Net weight is 22.856 gram, wastage is 12.99%. These kind of designer Nakshi pieces outside, wastage starts from 21%. But here, wastage is so very less, 12.99% for this kind of designer pieces is unbelievable. So I'll show you the tag of it. Let me show you the tag of this necklace here. You guys can see net weight 22.856 grams. Price is 1,86,259 rupees and all other specifications are also mentioned for this necklace here. This is the next necklace here, which is in Kanti style if you guys are seeing, and also all bead detailing at the bottom with seized stones and pearl detailing. Net weight of this is just 11.363 grams. I don't know if I'm dreaming, but this kind of pieces are also available here at Sri Swarna Kanchi located at Kottapet. Price of this is 1,09,408 rupees. Wow. And let me show you the workmanship of it from front, how beautiful it looks. Look at the beads. మనం వేసుకుంటే కూడా ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంటుందో ఈ పీస్ ఒకసారి ఆలోచించండి. యూ కెన్ డెఫినెట్లీ కమ్ టు ద స్టోర్. యూ కెన్ గివ్ కస్టమైజేషన్ కూడా. గ్రీన్ బీడ్స్ కాకుండా పింక్ కావాలంటే యూ కెన్ ఆల్సో గివ్ కస్టమైజేషన్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఫర్ పింక్ బీడ్స్. దిస్ ఇస్ ది ఎస్టిమేషన్ యాజ్ పర్ టుడేస్ గోల్డ్ రేట్. లైక్ యూ గైస్ కెన్ సీ ద నెట్ వెయిట్, the price and all other details of the stones, seized stones, everything is also mentioned. Look at this necklace. This is in Chandbali detailing and all chains here. Chandbali lo we can see seized stones, mesh pattern, goddess Lakshmi with green and pink color stones and also pearl detailing. Let me show you the design of it. This is the design of this chain necklace. Wow, this chain is also like a snake chain. Snake chain lo ilanti center pendant icharu with seized stones in it. Let me show you the tag of it. Net weight of this is 20.096 gram. Wastage is 13.99%. Again, very low wastage on this kind of a necklace also. Veskunte chala baguntundi. This is another U-shaped short necklace in deep Nakshi detailing. Mottam antique finish lo. The gold finish also that you're seeing, it's like a black gold finish in pure 22 karat gold with HUID hallmarking. You can see seized stone, green color stone, pearl detailing and also red color stone detailing in it. Let me show you the workmanship of it. Goddess Lakshmi looks so very beautiful here. Just look at it. The shine, the finish, everything is so brilliant. Net weight of this is coming close to 41.937 gram. Wastage is 13.99%. Just a brilliant piece. This is another piece. Actually, I wanted to show you the entire variety store lo em available unnayo. Light weight kaakunda ilanti kundan detailing lo kuda manaki necklaces available unnai. Kundan detailing lo idu vachesi manaki chain pattern lo, like you can see twisted patterns here in chain detailing, kundan detailing to paatu. Here you can see this kind of circular disc pattern with seized stones, అమ్మవారు ఉన్నారు లోపల, and you can see bead detailing and also pearl detailing. కొంచెం హెవీగా ఉంది ఇది డిజైన్, కానీ ఇన్ హెవీ ఆల్సో వీఆర్ డిజైనింగ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ అ వెరీ లో వేస్టేజ్. ఇలాంటి పీసెస్ మనం బయట చూస్తే వేస్టేజ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి, బట్ ద వేస్టేజ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ పీసెస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో రియలీ వెరీ లో ఎట్ ద స్టోర్ అండ్ తక్కువ వెయిట్లోనే డిజైన్ చేసాము. ద నెట్ వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ పీస్ ఇస్ కమింగ్ క్లోజ్ టు 72.655 grams. Wastage is 14.99%. 14.99% wastage for this kind of designer piece is just impossible. This is another piece. Net weight of this is just 16 grams with Ram Parivar detailing, deep Nakshi detailing, and you can see pink color stone, green color stone, seized stones and antique finish with pumpkin shaped pink color stones till top. Wastage of this piece is coming close to 13.99%. Wow, this piece is also so very unique. Asal 13 grams to chain, you will not see you were seeing this kind of a necklace. I was shocked looking at this entire collection and I thought I should also show you this piece in lightweight, low wastage designer pieces. This is another necklace which is coming in a chain detailing pattern with seized stones, bright stones and also pearl detailing. This piece is also very lightweight, 13.858 grams is a net weight. Look at the design. The last piece that I have got for you guys is this kind of a very simple necklace. This necklace has all seized stones in it, and you can see green color stone. This is really very elegant. మనం గౌన్స్ లో వేసుకోవచ్చు, సల్వార్ కమీజ్ లో వేసుకోవచ్చు, సారీస్, ఆర్గాన్జా సారీస్ అన్నిటికీ చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంటుంది ఈ పీస్. And the seized stones used here are of premium quality. You guys might be thinking these seized stones are of not good quality. They are of good quality and actually looks like diamond. Just look at the shine and the finish. It's in pure 22 karat gold again. So let me show you the tag of it. Net weight of this is coming close to 21.789 gram. Wastage is 14.99%. All right, friends. చూసారు కదా ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ డిఫరెంట్ యూనిక్ కలెక్షన్ నేను మీకోసం తీసుకొని వచ్చాను. అసలు దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ కలెక్షన్ ఐ హావ్ నెవర్ సీన్ ఇన్ యూట్యూబ్ టిల్ నౌ. ఫ్రమ్ 5 gram onwards, necklaces is just unbeatable and mind blowing. I thought I should definitely record this video for you guys, and that's the reason why I recorded this entire range just for you. If you like this video, share it with your family and friends, and if you want to make a purchase and if you wanted to gift something to somebody within the range of 5 grams during this festive season or wedding season, please send this video to them. Please come down to this store located at Kottapet. I'll mention the complete address of the store in the description box down below. And if you're watching this video for the first time, hit on the bell notification ताकि मेरे channel का सबसे पहला notification आप तक पहुंचे. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Bye bye.